hummingbird moth. See if I can find there. A hummingbird moth. Come on, focus. I believe it's a hummingbird moth. I mean, it mimics the hummingbird. Maybe it is a hummingbird, but it's a moth. I can't, my hand is too shaky here. This is crazy. I can't, there it is. I mean, just crazy. I'm having trouble. When I zoom in, I can't. I can't tell if this thing's focused or not. It has almost zero fear of me. It is right by my feet. So if y'all know what this is, let me know. Here in Bedford, Texas. Can't find it. I'm zoomed in too much. I'm mowing his flowers down. It was like I almost ran over with the mower. Yes, I need to. I mean, this thing's only a couple of feet from me. It's crazy how it is not afraid of me at all. I mean, we're talking less than a foot. I could easily reach out and grab it. It has got tunnel vision on the flowers. I mean, even when I was mowing, it's flying all around the mower. It is on a mission to get as much nectar. Alright, anyway, if y'all know what this is, let me know. Peace, and God bless.